Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am showcasing Yuji from SAO. Well, I think it's Yuji. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Kirito's friend, guys, from the underworld thing. Kirito's right there on the pink tree. I'm his friend. Well, he had the ice sword and everything. And Alice was their friend as well. But anyways, we're going to be showcasing him. Let's actually go to the new map, I guess. Let's go to here. Look for friends only so no one actually quickly joins. Let's do this, guys. And I'm actually going to take a little cricket dagger. Delicious. Oh yeah, guys. Sword armor. Woo! Let's do this, guys. Alright, first move. Oh, wait, oops. Hope you didn't see that. Good. Alright, first move, guys, is Sonic Leap. Boom. Ooh, like a dash with ice. Cool, cool, cool. Let's do that again. Next move, Ice Spikes. Woohoo! That's the move that I accidentally did before. Third move, let's do right now. Let's do right now. Wait, actually. Oh, yeah, let's kill him. Let's kill him. Let's kill him, guys. Let's kill him. Let's do it now, guys. Oh, a full AoE ability? Oh! Oh, okay! Make me invincible for a little bit. Nice! Nice! Alright, this guy's actually pretty good. I've got to eat a cracker. God. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's do the fourth ability. Oh, damn it. Let's do it now, guys. Alright, that's the third. Alright, fourth. Oh, looks so sick. Wait, I'm healing? I'm healing, guys. I'm healing. Oh, yeah. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Another cracker. Dang it, dude. There you go. Easy, easy. Alright, guys, this is actually, the Blue Rose Master. That's a sword called the Blue Rose. It's so cool, though. Yo, this game, bro. Let's do this. Let's do this. Damn it. But yeah, guys. This is a really good character. I really like him. He's got really good abilities that you can actually work with. That's really good, and you like it. I really like his abilities. I really do. He's got super strong abilities I really like. Guys, he might be S tier, I think. Guys, I think he's S tier. By the fact that he heals. Oh no, actually not S tier. Not S tier, A tier. because he is a tiny bit slow with his abilities. So yeah, I'd say that he is an A tier, guys. I'd say he's A tier, personally. Okay, but if you guys think he's S tier or B tier or whatever, then you say. Right, let's do this. Guys, I personally think he's A tier, just the fact that he heals, and he has 2 full AoE abilities, and one of them makes him invincible the entire time. The other is a dash, the other is just a range move, the other is a full AoE ability that goes, invincible just for a tiny bit, so you can avoid their one special attack or whatever. So, yeah, guys, I really like this guy, but I'm actually gonna go. I hope you like the showcase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my second channel as well, Slayer Prince, and this Slay King out, I guess. Peace, babies. Woo!